Hi everybody, Beanmeister22 here. Hey, today I'm going to do something really special. Now, do you want to hear the most annoying sound in the world? Well, of course you do. If you're in a public place, turn your volume all the way up. Let the people around you enjoy this as much as you're going to enjoy it. And what is that sound? Well, it's my chair. And then, this might even be the two most annoying sounds in the world. Because said my cat Peanut, he doesn't like the sound of the chair. And then it just goes downhill from there. Alright, you're done making noise. Come on, kid. Alright, what do you think? Annoying? Well, of course, annoying. The most annoying thing in the world? Which one? My chair or Peanut? Alright, so, leave your comments in the comment section. Hey, tell me if you cranked it up and really got people around you to look at you, because that'd be, like, really cool, right? Leave your comments in the comment section. As always, thanks for watching.
Beanmeister22, the most dangerous man on YouTube.